you know what's doing it for me? You keep on recognizing the problem and don't recognize the answer. And I say this a lot, that there can never be a problem without a solution. Now, how do you get the solution? Oftentimes, you have to move away from the problem. Because if you are trying to force a solution, you're going to have to surrender. You're going to have to let it go. And I know most of us, we have been so conditioned to just keep on at that thing until you get an answer. That's not how it works. You have to let it go so you can get the answer. The only way you get the answer is if you surrender and you move past that thing. It's almost like, when your children, they act up in the supermarket or whatever, and you don't pay them no mind, and then they get it together. Same as that concept. That's how the problem is, or the illusion of the problem. You gotta act like, you know what? I'm not giving this thing no attention. I'm not feeding into this thing. And when you let it go, you'll be surprised how the mind works, whereas though you start finding solutions. Ideas just start coming to you. You can do this, you can do that, you can do this. But you can't do it as long as you are continuously focusing on the problem. And I'm going to say it again. There can never be, never. Now, I know some of you guys, you may feel like there can be just a problem and no solution. Remember what I read the other day from the Prosperity Bible? In the Prosperity Bible, it states that the optimist is right, and so is the pessimist. And it's not about being right. It's about, do you want those same exact results to keep showing up in your life? If you don't want those same exact results to keep showing up in your life, then you're gonna think twice and you're gonna do something different. So hear me out again on this, because there's a law called gender. All right, law of opposites. There can never be one without the other. So there is a solution. You just gotta let it go.